Hello, TelecomTV's in The Hague in the Netherlands this week. We're at the SDN NFV World Congress 2018 and I'm talking with Yoshihiro Nakajima, who is from NTT DoCoMo. Yoshi, thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.
DoCoMo are pioneers in NFV-based technology. Now that this is really happening, what pain points are you experiencing? What are the challenges?
So we need to complete the stage 3 level API to realize a multi-functional, multi-vendor BNF NFV system on the unified infrastructures.
What about your working with organizations such as ETSI, an ETSI NFV activity there? How does that work? What do you bring to the party, both sides?
We are working hard on the standardization in NFV, especially so we have to need more feedback from the implementation and our development to the standard. So that will be very beneficial for many operators and the industry because there are many consensus to realize NFV system more stable, more evolutionary for the future networking.
We're talking about you being pioneers in NFV and NFV-based technology. What is it you're actually producing within the company? When you say you're pioneers, you're pioneering what?
Yeah, that is a good question. Yeah, of course, so our NTT DoCoMo is a pioneer for many things, like first introduction of the 3G system and LTE, and we try to working hard on the NFV system right now. And for the 2020, we will start the 5G services for Olympic Games, maybe.
Okay, that's good. Right. When you're looking at NFV, we always have to think about standards or absence of standards. A lot of NFV originally was predicated on the notion of open standards or open source, and that, I think, to some extent slowed down the development of NFV because a lot of vendors were not sure they wanted to participate in something as open as that. Is that what you found in reality? Yes,
of course. So we use the OpenStack environment, and we have a collaboration with OPNFV organization to promote the NFV system using the open source system. Yeah, that will be great because so we can use the many knowledge of the IT guys as well as many talentful and engineer skill from the global wide.
We mentioned briefly the obstacles that lie in the way of the full-scale deployment of NFV-based technologies and systems and networks. What does the industry overall need to do to overcome these obstacles? Is there a path, is there a roadway through it?
So we think we need a common best practice for NFV. Actually, so many operators are suffering from the fast deployment of NFV system because there are no guidance or best practice. Of course, we try to show the clear path for the NFV system introduction, and also we still continue the NFV system for next decade. That means, of course, NFV system is the fundamental infrastructure to realize our services to the customers.
So when you have this route to best practice, what is it? Do we yet know, because NFV is so young, do we yet know what the best practice is, or is it going to be an amalgamation of all the experiences that people have, codified in some way, set down so others know what to do?
One of the NFV system is leveraging the code servers. So in the past, we used the ATCA-based hardware for our core network services, but the life cycle is very long compared to the code server. So we are trying to realize an easy migration in the NFV system with a code server. For example, many every year, so we have to think about the next generation of servers. But if you upgrade the servers, we need upgrade the software as well. But there are no guideline or a easy migration path to the next version. Of course, there are many components to build up the NFV system. So like Mano, BNFM, NFBO. So there are need to define the API to realize an easy upgrade system. So of course, we try to discuss many contributors about the what is the API for migration and easy upgrade. Yeah, we try to contribute somehow in the HNFV. Of course, we try to engage the open source community like OPNFV.
So one day soon, maybe, we will have a book, Best Practice in NFV, and you go to page 6 and that's going to come, yeah?
Yeah, I hope so.
So do I.
We work hard.
Good. Yoshihiro Nakajima, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.